There are three main points. The first one being that we want to address blockchain fragmentation. Blockchains were designed with the idea of destroying silos, and now we just have tons of different networks that are siloed from each other. Cactus can help those different networks talk to each other. It also saves the application developers from having to reinvent the wheel every time they want to do something new. Every time they want to do something, every time they want to iterate over what they have. And finally, they heavily lower the risk of adopting specific DLT technologies by businesses. This means that if today you choose to build your application on top of a specific blockchain protocol, let's say that you build your solution on top of Fabric, and you have a client that just has a Besu network and they want you to move to their Hyperledger Besu network, you can do so with close to zero effort. Three different entities that are interacting with each other through a supply chain, that each of them are connected exclusively to their own blockchain network. So right now on my machine, I'm running three blockchain networks, one for Hyperledger Besu, one for Go Quorum, and another one for Hyperledger Fabric. Each of them has a separate role, and we're going to be seeing how we can create an asset on Besu. We can turn that asset into a different asset into Quorum, and how we can ship that using Fabric. Right now I have the role of the bamboo harvester, and I can submit a new bamboo harvest details. When I create this, it appears here, and now this is only in the scope of my Hyperledger Besu network. Now if I want to create a bookshelf, here I can select which bamboo harvest I want to use for that Hyperledger from the Hyperledger Besu network. And here I have created my bookshelf, and I want to ship it using Fabric because the shipment companies, they use Fabric. So here I just define my bookshelf that I just created, and I click on submit, and there it appears. So here what we've shown is how we can use how we can have the same application with three different entities. The easiest way to run this and to test this is to run this command, because as we've done for absolutely everything in Cactus is Dockerized. So from our unit tests to our more complex demo applications to the individual plugins, you can instantiate and use and run everything as a microservice if you want as well, because everything can live within a container. You can visit that link, and every day we spend some time with the community doing pair programming in case they have a specific problem. So we encourage everyone to talk to us through our Rocket chat, obviously, to join the mailing list, obviously, as everyone else,